So my web application will be on a cinema where users can register, log in, and then browse the selections of films, see where they're being screened, and then purchase tickets in advance where they can select their seats and choose what kind of tickets are going to be, student, adult, or child, and then afterwards they will be able to see their reserved seats. Admins will also be able to add and remove films from these and add screenings for those films. Yep. They'll be able to browse all films, and then search will be extended from that, where it just kind of filters the films they don't want out of their browsing field. So then the class diagram. So starting from user, one user can have like many reservations. The same user will be going to hopefully to the same cinema constantly, and they'll be able to see previous, and also user might be buying more than one ticket, so one to many on that. So they can also see old tickets and old films they went to see in the reservations. User, in that since the same way, user will have many different payments. Purchasing tickets online will also be available through that. As a person, it can be many different people can be users, then many people can be an admin, but it would at least be one admin. And then the admin and user data will be stored in the database. Cinema, which cinema can have one to many to the screening hall. Cinema has multiple screening halls. The same screening hall will have many screening halls will have multiple screenings. One screening hall will generally have this limiting here with a maximum of 20 seats, just for ease. The reservation, which will be the customer's ticket itself, so they'll store all the information, who owns the ticket, what screening hall it's in, what's their seat number, the screening they're actually seeing, the type of it is, which would be the adult, student, etc. One ticket will only apply to one screening, since you can't have a ticket for multiple screenings. And many films will have many screenings, such as one film won't only be screened once, be screened multiple times, and there'll be multiple films showing at the cinema at the same time. And all those films will be kept in the database as well. So sequence diagrams. So this is a user can log on, even non-registered users can search for films. They can get the screenings, see what times the films are being played at. To actually purchase screenings, though, you'd have to be logged in. So to register, that you become a registered user, you can search as well for films. You can also users. So once they log in, they'll be able to make a reservation, which will get the screening itself, or they'll get the seat, they'll confirm their payment, and they will purchase their pay, which will create a reservation, which would then be update the reservations. Next, you can also register, you can log in and display the reservations, which will be updating. They can then request a refund if they wish, which would delete the reservation, and then update the list of reservations, and then return the funds to the user. And final is admins can log in. They can add a film to films, which would then update. They can add screenings, which you'll get a screening hall. You'll set a time for screenings and then set the screenings itself. And that's the 3 sequence diagrams again. And use the class and use case diagrams. And that's it.